Hello, my heart centric friends. Today, I'm going to help you have a quick win with AI. And we're going to use a chat GPT, like I mentioned in the prior presentation, because it's one of the easiest ways to understand and use, and basically dip your toes in the water to see if you like it. So, the first thing we're going to do is go to a browser window. I use Google, and we're going to type in chat. gpt.com, meaning to log in because I do have an account. And today, what we're going to do is solve for a friend of mine who has an issue with her dentist. The dentist keeps wanting her to show up for her dental appointment, and she really just can't afford it. So we've created this prompt. I need to write an email to my dentist to cancel the appointment and to request that they stop sending letters about the results of my last appointment. I already know that, but I cannot afford their services since my insurance expired. So let's see what ChatGPT will give us as an answer. And it immediately comes back with a professional and clear email draft that you can use for your dentist. It's polite. It has the subject. You would change the name of the dentist or the last name. And how you would do this is you would just copy and paste it into your email. But again, making sure that certain information is changed and that it's appropriate. Now, if you wanted ChatGPT to actually write it in a certain type of voice, a certain set of data, you could absolutely do that. If we wanted, we're going to augment this response with keep it polite, and let's see if it gives us any other results. And now you'll get two possible responses. Again, you can make this as long or as short as you want. Copy, cut, and paste it into your email and send it off. If you have found this helpful, I'd like you to hit the like button, subscribe, or even better, put a comment in the comment section that says start. And I will start sending you daily little tips and hints about using AI, not just ChatGPT, but other AIs that might help improve the quality of your life as you use them and get comfortable. You can start today. You can go to chatgpt.com and get that set up. Again, make sure to like, subscribe, share this video with others who might be just thinking about getting into AI and don't have any idea of where to start. Have a great day.